Good morning guys, just going to go through a little video showing you Platinum Potion's new leather cleanse. Just going to do a little demonstration of my own personal jacket. You can see I've already pre-sprayed. I've just let it soak for a couple of seconds. I've got myself a little soft brush here, and all we're going to do is we're just going to lightly agitate the surface. There's no pressure, I'm literally just gliding that brush, and we're going to make sure we get into all those little crevices and pockets. Removing all the dead bug debris, road tar, grime, all those sorts of things. We will bring these letters up a little bit cleaner as well. I'm not expecting perfection. This jacket's about 7 odd years old now, so you know, take it for what it is. There's always going to be some dirt somewhere. But you can see, lightly agitating. We'll make our way around. Obviously this is pretty hard for me to do with one hand. Usually I'd use two and we'd be a lot more thorough. But as I said, this is my own personal jacket. I'm not looking for perfection. It's just a mere quick video for you guys, just to show the new leather cleanse in action. Alright, I'm going to go through and do this jacket again shortly anyway. See, we're all agitated. Nice foamy liquid, helps draw everything out. Okay, then we're just going to lightly brush that away with a clean microfibre towel. Doesn't have to be anything crazy in the towel sense. You don't need a $30 towel or any cleaning leather lightly, okay? Sorry guys, my filming is very poor today. Alright, so straight away you can see that's a lot cleaner. I'll get in these letters a little bit better. But as I said, this jacket is years old. I've ridden it hard, I've ridden it in groups, ridden it at the track. This thing's been everywhere and it's still coming up pretty crisp if I'm honest. Alright, thanks very much Chris at Platinum Potions. The new leather cleanse is working awesome. We look forward to stocking more of these products again soon. Thanks very much. Bye.